Hi, everyone, and thank you for being here today. We're excited to share a brief overview of Triton CORE, one of the many mental health resources available here at UC San Diego. Starting college is a big deal. It's exciting, it can be overwhelming, and sometimes unexpectedly hard. Whether you're at a small community college or a major research university, every student deserves support, not just for academics, but for their mental health and well-being too. That's where programs like Triton CORE come in. At UC San Diego, Triton CORE is our mobile, compassionate mental health response team, created to meet students where they are with care that's fast, trauma-informed, and free of judgment. But even if you're not at our campus, the message remains the same. Your well-being matters, and help should never be hard to find. At UC San Diego, student well-being is a top priority, and that includes student academic, emotional, and social success. Before we get into how Triton CORE supports our campus community, let me first introduce you to our team. ¿Qué hubo, mi gente? Muchas gracias por tomar unos minutos para conocer a nuestro equipo Triton CORE. My name is Eduardo Caldera. My pronouns are he, him, él, and I'm a licensed professional clinical counselor in the state of California. I was born in Managua, Nicaragua, and raised in Washington, D.C., where I completed my master's training at Johns Hopkins University. I'm proud to serve as the manager of this very special team. Quiero que sepan que nuestro equipo está aquí para servirles y que sus estudiantes están en buenas manos. When I went away to college for 4 years, it was a tough transition for my close-knit Latino family. But I can honestly say that we came out stronger and even closer because of that experience.
Hi everyone, 大家好. My name is Jojo Lee and my pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm a licensed professional clinical counselor and one of the Triton CORE clinicians here at UC San Diego. I'm also a proud UC San Diego alumna, graduated from your college. After UC San Diego, I studied abroad in the UK at Swansea University for my first master's degree, then came back home to sunny San Diego for my second master at University of San Diego. A little about me. My family's from Hong Kong. I moved to California when I was 15. As a first-generation immigrant and first-generation college student, figuring out higher education wasn't always easy. What made the difference for me was the community I found here at UC San Diego. It gave me the support I needed to thrive. I hope that each of you find your own community on this beautiful campus and that you make the most of your time here. Thank you for choosing UC San Diego. We're so excited to have you, and we're here for you.
Hola y bienvenidos. My name is Christian Gasca. My pronouns are he, him, y él, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker on the Triton Compassionate Response Team here at UC San Diego. Soy un hombre queer, latino, y primera generación en graduarme de la universidad, something I hold with a lot of pride. My family is from Mexico, and I was born and raised in Los Angeles. That upbringing shaped how I see the world and the work I do. I earned my master's in social work from the University of Southern California, which deepened my passion for creating spaces where students feel seen, supported, and empowered. Lo que más me inspira es poder acompañar a estudiantes, especialmente a aquellos que vienen de comunidades como la mía, mientras navegan todo lo que implica esta etapa de sus vidas. It means a lot to me to be here with you all, showing up as I am, sharing space juntos.
Hi all, my name is Jennifer Alonzo. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker with the Triton CORE team here at UC San Diego. I joined the team in December of 2024, so it's been an exciting year so far. A little about me. I'm a graduate of Cal State Fullerton and the University of Chicago, and I'm originally from Los Angeles. I come from a Mexican-American family with beautiful traditions, and I'm also a proud fur mom to 3 doggies. I'm truly excited to be part of Triton CORE and the role we play in supporting students. College can be such a meaningful time, full of growth, discovery, and new opportunities, but it can also bring stress, challenges, and moments of uncertainty. I know because I went through those ups and downs myself as a student. From a young age, I knew I wanted to help people, and now I feel honored to be in a role where I can support students who may need a little extra care. My role is to be a safe and supportive resource for students. Whether you're navigating academics, relationships, identity, stress, or just need someone to talk with, our team is here to listen and help. Reaching out is a sign of strength, not weakness. I really look forward to supporting students' well-being and helping them build tools to thrive, both personally and academically. College is a big step, and I'm honored to be a part of it.
Hola, hola, y buen día. My name is Carolina Soriano, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker with the Triton CORE team here at UC San Diego. I'm the daughter of Mexican immigrant parents, born in Los Angeles but raised in Mexico. English is my second language, and I know firsthand the challenges of balancing two cultures while trying to succeed in school. I'm the first in my family to attend college. My journey wasn't easy. It was especially hard for my parents. They were súper orgullosos, but also nerviosos. But gracias a su apoyo, I earned my undergraduate degree at UC Irvine and my master's degree at USC. These experiences shape not only who I am, but also how I connect with students and familias here at UC San Diego. I understand what it means to navigate higher education as a first-gen, bilingual, bicultural student, and I bring that compassion and lived experience into my work. Con mucho orgullo, I now get to support Tritons as they navigate their own journeys, balancing cultura, comunidad, and educación.
Hola, my name is Cassandra, and I use she, her pronouns. Mis padres son de Mexico, and I was born in a small town in Northern California. I come from a large, loving family with 54 first cousins. I'm a licensed clinical social worker and a proud Triton CORE clinician. Growing up, it was always a dream of mine to graduate from college and earn a master's degree from the University of Southern California. As a first-generation college graduate, achieving that dream is something that I carry with great pride. I understand the hopes, challenges, and emotions that come with going to college. That's why I'm so passionate about the work we do. We're here to create a safe, welcoming, and culturally respectful space for students, and to remind them that they're not alone in this journey. Thank you for being here today and for trusting us to support you. It's a privilege to walk alongside you and your families.
Hi, my name is Veronica Johnson, and I'm a licensed professional clinical counselor. My pronouns are she and her. I serve as a Triton CORE clinician, and like many of the UC San Diego students I serve, I am a first-generation college student. I identify as biracial and was raised in the Bay Area, California, an experience that deeply shaped my passion for understanding, embracing, and helping others. I earned my master's degree in clinical counseling in Virginia, where I refined my passion into professional skills to support individuals from diverse backgrounds and life experiences.
Triton CORE stands for Compassionate Response. We're UC San Diego's mobile mental health response team, made up of licensed clinicians who provide in-person support for students experiencing behavioral health distress while physically on campus. We literally leave our offices to meet with students wherever they are. Our mission is simple: student safety, responding with care, compassion, and clinical expertise, meeting students exactly where they are, both emotionally and physically. During your time with us, we will be covering what Triton CORE is, our purpose, what we do, and how to reach us. Our team is made up of 6 licensed therapists and a dedicated manager, all committed to supporting students during moments of distress. Triton CORE is a specialized unit within the Counseling and Psychological Services Department. While we are part of CAPS, we're physically located at the UC San Diego Police Department. This unique placement allows us to respond in real time to welfare checks and collaborate closely on student safety and well-being. We're proud of the diversity within our team, which reflects the broad range of identities and experiences found across the UC San Diego student community. In addition to providing clinical services, we prioritize outreach, building connections within our campus community, raising mental health awareness, and ensuring that our presence and support are visible and accessible throughout campus.
Before we continue, a quick content note. This presentation includes discussion of mental health challenges and symptoms. Some topics may be sensitive or activating. Please feel free to step away or take a break if you need to care for your well-being.
Starting college is an exciting milestone, full of new experiences, growth, and self-discovery. UC San Diego offers a wide range of resources, communities, and student organizations to support your academic and personal journey. It's also completely normal to feel a mix of emotions, from excitement and curiosity to homesickness or uncertainty. If you've experienced this, know you're not alone. Many students go through this adjustment period. As you settle in, you may find yourself balancing academics, social life, family expectations, and your own well-being, sometimes all at once. These pressures can lead to stress, anxiety, loneliness, or self-doubt. And without a strong support system, it can feel overwhelming. If that stress goes unacknowledged, it can escalate into a crisis. Recognizing when you're feeling overwhelmed is the first step towards getting support. And that's where Triton CORE can help.
Triton CORE was created to provide in-person, trauma-informed, and student-centered mental health support on campus. This means we go directly to where the student is, anywhere on campus. In practice, our team physically leaves the office to meet with students in distress, wherever they are on campus. Dorm rooms, libraries, cafeterias, classrooms, literally any location the student feels safest. Our goals include having a mobile, compassionate response that prioritizes student safety, autonomy, and dignity, as well as community safety. De-escalating distress and supporting students in the moment. Reducing stigma and avoiding traumatic or criminalizing responses to mental health challenges. Reducing unnecessary trips to the emergency department by providing crisis intervention and care coordination in familiar student settings. Ensuring referrals to the least restrictive yet most appropriate level of care. We also work closely with both campus and community partners to ensure students receive the ongoing care and support they need.
Here's a quick overview of the services that we provide. For starter, anyone can call and consult with our team. We get calls from staff, faculty, parents, and students themselves. They call us about a student of concern, and we are able to direct them to the most appropriate level of care. As mentioned earlier, our team also respond in person across campus to conduct wellness check for students who may be going through a difficult time. We believe that face-to-face interactions help students feel seen, heard, and supported. During these visits, we complete a behavioral health assessment and work collaboratively with the student to develop a safety plan. In some cases, that safety plan may include taking a step back from immediate stressor and assessing additional support. When safety is a concern, Triton CORE, with the student consent, can provide supportive transportation to a higher level of care without involving law enforcement. This helps reduce the risk of further distress during already sensitive moments. Additionally, we offer psychological first aid during campus-wide events that may have a significant emotional impact on student community. Again, our services are consensual and confidential.
This is a general overview of the types of welfare checks that are most commonly brought to our attention. It's important to note that this list isn't exhaustive. We like to emphasize that every student's experience in distress is unique, and we approach each situation with that in mind. We support students in a wide range of situations, including those experiencing emotional distress, such as anxiety, panic, or sadness. These students may be overwhelmed and just need someone to talk to in the moment. Sometimes while in distress, students may experience suicidal thoughts that don't involve immediate risk. We physically meet with them where they are, assess for safety, and connect them to the appropriate resources. In some cases, we meet with a frustrated student who makes verbal threats or expressions of anger that may be concerning but don't indicate current danger. This might involve students who are escalating emotionally and need help de-escalating in a safe and supportive way. Triton CORE can support students with substance use concerns, including someone who's struggling with patterns of alcohol or drug use that impact their well-being and academics. For those students who are experiencing a difficult time managing their responsibilities, they may experience significant changes in behavior, such as noticeable disruptions in sleep, eating habits, their studies, and their social life. These behaviors can often be early signs of mental health challenges. On rare occasions, we will meet with a student who is confused, disoriented, or incoherent. This may indicate underlying psychological or medical concerns. These cases require a thoughtful, trauma-informed approach to ensure the student's safety and dignity. In addition to these common situations, we also consult on complex and unique cases, working closely with campus partners to ensure that each student receives an individualized care plan for their unique needs. This coordination of care is always done with the consent of the student.
We don't just respond in the moment. We also connect students to a wide network of support. This includes on-campus mental health counseling and therapy, academic support and accommodations, housing or basic needs resources, specialized off-campus mental health providers for long-term care. Our goal is to make sure every student can access the right help at the right time. Currently, the way to reach Triton CORE is by calling the UC San Diego Police Department non-emergency line at 858-534-HELP. Our trained dispatch team serves as a safety filter to ensure that Triton CORE team is not sent into potentially unsafe situations. To reach us, be sure to request Triton CORE specifically. Dispatch will ask a few initial questions, then connect you directly to our team. In rare cases involving an elevated risk, UCPD or medical personnel may respond alongside us to ensure everyone's safety. With UCPD being physically located on campus, they are highly trained to work specifically with university students and within an inclusive, student-centered community. Our collaboration makes it possible to deliver compassionate, timely care that truly meets the students' needs.
If you or someone you know needs Triton CORE, call 858-534-HELP and ask to speak with a Triton CORE clinician. We are available Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. To better serve our diverse student population, our clinicians offer services in English, Spanish, Cantonese, and Mandarin. All services are consensual and confidential. That means we only provide support when a student agrees to it, and we respect their privacy at all times.
Thank you so much for taking time to learn about Triton CORE. We're here to support UC San Diego students with compassion, care, and connection, especially during challenging times. If you have questions or want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out or use our QR code to access our website. Together, we can build a safer, more supportive campus community for everyone.